Hey, Gene with Garage One here. I want to show you guys today the advantages of using our Garage One pump sprayer, especially when you're utilizing our alcohol-based surface sprays, okay? You're used to using the hand trigger sprayer, and these are sometimes hard to come by, and it's cumbersome on your hand. So check this out. Our professional grade pump sprayers are very easy to use. Just open them up. Take your refill bottle of your alcohol-based blend spray. Go ahead and fill it up. This will actually fill this twice with the refill. You then just take the pump sprayer, put it back. It's got professional urethane bushings in it and washers. You give it a few pumps. Now come close here, you're going to see that the stream, you have to adjust it. Right now the stream is like this. All you do is adjust it to a fine mist. Can you see that fine mist now? Give it a few more pumps and then come on over here. Every day when your vehicle comes in, you're able to spray the door panel, the steering wheel, anything like that. Watch this, you can actually disinfect your door handles. Anything that your hands are going to come in contact with, you can spray with this, and it uses less product. So you're going to be using the product in a more efficient manner, and you get to reuse this spray canister all the time. So again, simple as that, spray with no worries. The Garage One surface spray pump bottle is one of the winners for you.